Hey guys, welcome back. This has got to be one of the speediest tacos. The garlic butter shrimps are done in less than 5 minutes, and the rest is only assembly. Such a fun midweek meal as well as a great dinner party main course. So let's get cooking. We start off by cutting the vegetables first. So take peeled carrots, slice them into thin slices and then cut them into thin long strips, also known as juliennes. Carrots then go into a bowl and then we slice in red onion. I like to use the red ones over the white because they have less moisture and a little more sharper in flavor. They also give a very nice color to the taco. Then is the garlic. The garlic is slightly higher in quantity, 3 to 4 cloves, and these are sliced and then very finely chopped. They make sure that you finely chop because this is going to be used to make your garlic butter. So you don't want the large chunks, you want the small pieces to flavor the butter and also to toss the garlic in it. And garlic also gives a very nice flavor when you saute with butter and prawns. It gives a very nice rich sweet flavor to the prawns. Fresh coriander, I just love fresh coriander, and adding coriander with prawns and garlic is just very magical. Always works. For the salsa, we're going to make an avocado and mango salsa. So peel and half the avocado, take out the seeds and then make deep incisions with a knife, a crisscross way, and then with a spoon gently take out all the flesh. It's as easy as that. You don't need to really peel the avocado. It all comes off all together very easily. The same thing we do it with the ripe mango. We take a cheek of the mango, one cheek is enough, make a crisscross pattern with a knife and then remove all the flesh from the mango. The avocado and the mango works extremely well with the salsa, with the taco. Almost a tablespoon of chopped coriander and a good squeeze of lime juice. The acidic and the lime flavor works well, and of course seasoning. Without salt there is just no flavor in the food. Mix it all together. So that is the avocado and mango salsa ready. Moving on to the coriander butter. Add butter and garlic into a pan and on the low heat slightly melt the butter and let the garlic cook in the butter. Add in the peeled and the cleaned prawns, and you'll see as the prawns cook the color will change from being grayish color to a light pink. A tiny amount of salt just to bring out the flavors, and once the prawns turn pink, add in a generous quantity of red chili flakes. If you like it spicier, you can always add more red chili or green chili or even jalapenos, and then goes on the fresh coriander leaves. This is now ready. Moving on to a mayo. I'm going to make a light mayo with sriracha. So sriracha has got a very nice flavor and the mayo cuts it down but also makes it a very nice color into a bright orange. So when you eat the taco, it looks very inviting, but will also have a very nice flavor with a small kick at the end. To assemble the taco, warm tortillas and on the base add your carrot, your onion, spoon in the avocado and the mango salsa. Top it up with prawns, nice juicy garlic coriander prawns, and then a generous drizzle of the sriracha mayo on top. Now if you're a vegetarian, you can always swap the prawns for cheese or some vegetable. It works perfectly well. Garnish off the dish with some fresh coriander leaves and the taco is now ready to be enjoyed. Such a lovely and a quick way to spice up your meals. Make sure you try it and do let me know. Bon appetit.